What's good, YouTube? So I don't know what I'm gonna name this yet. I'm going to get in my position. Whoop, whoop. So I don't know what I'm gonna name this yet without getting like YouTube taking my video down or something. But this is how you get free gas, free anything, really. Alright, so this
We're eating good. It's Jamaican money. I gotta go convert this down up a lot. I don't even know which spot. See, y'all deal with that cage and stuff. Look what I'm doing. I don't understand why y'all ain't bothering none of y'all. Not coming at you and me.
is how you really come up, fam. Now everybody knows the best way to re-up. Well, not everybody knows this. Most people think the best way to re-up is to get the most cheapest, like not cheapest, but like get the lowest price that you can, flip that, and make even more money. Make how much, you know, you got 28, you buying it for 160, 150. They think that's a good deal. To me, I'm not paying, like, we're beginning to this. I'm not paying 150, I'm not paying 160, I'm not doing that. So the best way to re-up, at least to me, is a free. You know, you might be asking, like, what you talking about? Like, how you gonna get a free re-up? It's not hard. Alright. We are not supporting any illegal activities in this video at all. So the best way to re-up is a free re-up. Now I'm gonna tell y'all how to do it. So all you gotta do, find somebody that got some with the rope, call them up, be like, hey, meet me at the gas station. Perfect place is a gas station. You know why? Ain't nobody if it get at you at a gas station. Nobody if it bust at you at a gas station. Ain't nobody if it really do nothing at a gas station. Unless you have a weapon on you, then they got reason to. But even then, a nigga ain't gonna bust at you. Cause you know why? A nigga don't got no business to be busting at anybody at the motherfucking gas station. You know what I'm saying? Like, ain't nobody if it bust at you at the gas station. Ain't nobody if it take off on you at a gas station. You know what I'm saying? Because there's too many eyes, too many cameras, and they're not supposed to be doing what they're supposed to be doing anyway. So you know what you do? You call them up, you have a driver, or you have somebody, or you can be whipping yourself. It don't matter. It can be one or two people in this situation, or it could be several. However, but you know the best way? Do it by yourself. On some real stuff. Do your business by yourself, or at least with one person that you know that ain't gonna fold. Crib. So what you do is, you meet them at a gas station. You call them up with the whoop. Once they get to the gas station, you be like, I'm in a rush. I gotta do something real fast with the whoop. You be like, hey, can you go ahead? I'm just gonna go ahead and hedge you the money, and you give me what you gonna give me. Good. We already make out what you gonna get at the beginning. So they know exactly how much, so they can just hand it off to you. Or in another situation, if you can ask for more. Now this is next level stuff. If you don't know how to do it, don't do it. And we could talk about that at a different time. But let's just say you went ahead, y'all already discussed what you feel get, whoop. So meet them at the gas station. Go to their car. You don't let them come to you. You come to them. That's the key to this. You come to them. So most likely they're gonna either have their car full of people, or they gonna want you to get in the car. Don't get in the car. You just hand them the money, and they give it to you. Whatever it is, it could be a phone, car, cash, whatever it is, anything it is, anything, really anything. As long as like a lot of times, as long as it's like somebody that you really know what I'm trying to get at. You know what I'm trying to get at. So what you do is you go on ahead and you tell them, alright, so we discuss how much with the whoop. You go to the car. You hand them like, you get, alright, so the key to this is you get like maybe like 21s and like a one, really like 20, or you can get 10 ones. Get a 20. Put that on top. So let me see. You're gonna have a stack. You're gonna have a good little stack. You know, a lot of ones look like a good amount with the whoop. Good. So you got the 10 ones. You got 20 on top. How much is that? That's $30. $30. Now it's kind of free, but you still gonna have to pay a little bit. Now how much money you give them is up to you. You can either put a 10, 5, 1 on top, nigga, or you can just do finito and just keep your money. But the best way to do it, the most accurate and the best way to do it is to just give them like a couple of dollars so they don't really know what to do. Put that on a rubber band. When they first look at it, they don't know how much money it is. It could be how much whatever. So nigga, you can tell them that you fit get them 280. Niggas ain't gonna know. Duh. Cause how it runs out, you gonna be gone by then. So what you do is go up to the car window. You be like, hey, I'm gonna do, and
either they gonna try to steal it
in front of you, or they're either gonna try to get it straight, and get it straight in front of you, or they're gonna just like hand it to you. A lot of times they just gonna hand it to you, but they might try to, depending on if you ask for more. That's why I said if you ask for more, you can really get more if you do it. Cause nigga gonna be like, oh, you want more than that? Alright, so they gonna pull up the bag, whatever it is, and they gonna try to whoop whoop. So hopefully, most likely their window is gonna be down. So what you do is you reach in the window, you grab that, and you hand them the money.
then get goals. Like I'm talking about.
So when you grab it, that's when you need to be out the door. Like you need to be back to your car. Duh, hop in the wheel and skirt off. Duh. If they chase you, get down. If they don't chase you, you just came up. Crib. And then that's how you come up off of nothing. Pretty much off of like, nigga, you can come up off of $30, you can come up off of $10, fam. You can come up off of motherfucking none. Like, nigga, this is free, fam. And then you got, let's say you just got a old house. You just got an old house in the hood. That's 28 plus, yeah, that's 28 plus 14. 28 plus 14, that's a good 42. Yeah, 42. You win it, fam. You win it. You win it. You in the door. Like, you in there. You in there. You just came up on $400 and something, fam. Off of just spending 30. Off of just spending 20. That's damn near 100% profit. That's how you come up. That's how you run up your bag, cuz. Do that 4 or 5 times and you can get a QP on the hood. Easy. Good. But yeah, that's how you come up and that's how you smoke for free. I'll see y'all next time. See you on the game.
I got these drugs in my system and I'm still trying to take the pain away. Pain for me, I don't need nobody trying to change my ways. Stuck in this phase, I'm dying slowly trying to count my days. If I don't change, that's my fault. The time I died, it ain't arresting me, a felony. All my nigga rest in peace, remember me.